CLP collaborative robot drag handle. It is composed of 3 parts: rocker device, display screen, and button. The first line of the display ABC 1%. It indicates that the drag rocker and robot change their attitude according to ABC. After the rocker is flipped, the robot changes according to the A, B, and C attitude. 1% is the percentage of velocity in the process of use. The level of movement speed can be switched by pressing the button above the joystick. The second line in the display is the parameters of the welding process. For example, in the number 0 welding process, the current welding current is 135A. The welding voltage is 10 volts. The third line in the display is the parameters of the swing. Represents the pendulum arc process 0. The left swing amplitude is 3 mm and the swing frequency is 3 Chi. The fourth line on the display indicates when the arc-on instruction is inserted. Default welding speed used. The current speed is 5 mm per second. CLS indicates that the state of our current program is empty. Let's take a look at what these buttons look like. The first less than toggle and that greater than button does 2 things. First, the direction of motion of the robot can be changed. For example, the robot is now moving in the X-Y-Z direction. Click the button to move the robot in the direction. You can switch between X-Y-Z position movement and ABC attitude change. Now it's changing from position change to attitude change. Second, under different display interfaces, click the button to increase the process number value, or welding speed value, or welding current value. The second less than recover and subtract greater than button. When editing the program, hold down the less than recover greater than button for 3 seconds or more. The end attitude of the robot will return true. The attitude of the motion instruction preceding the current insertion instruction in the program. The minus greater than button reduces the process number value when clicked, or welding speed value, or welding current value. The third less than program greater than button at the beginning of programming. Hold down the button for 3 seconds or more to create a new program file, such as the current empty program. CLS indicates that the current content of the newly created program is empty. The fourth less than weld greater than button. When clicked, the welding instructions are inserted. Like now, after inserting the welding instructions, the process number value can be adjusted with the less than increase greater than, decrease greater than button. After the adjustment is complete, click the less than up file greater than button to confirm. The icon is currently displayed on the display. Indicates that our arcing instructions have been inserted correctly. The fifth less than wiggle greater than button. When clicked, the swing arc command is inserted. Enter the process number setting interface. You can also use the less than increase greater than put decrease greater than button to adjust the current process number value. Click the less than upper greater than button again to confirm. Pendulum arc command successfully inserted. In addition, when an arc extinguishing command is inserted, first press the up greater than button without releasing, and then click the less than weld greater than button. Insert arc of arc extinguishing instruction. Again, press the less than up greater than button without releasing, then click the less than swing greater than button. Insert whip off swing arc stop command. The sixth less than line greater than button. When you click, a straight line motion instruction is inserted. The seventh less than arc greater than button. After clicking, you can insert the P to point of the move. See, since our circular motion requires 2 points P2, P3 to operate. So after inserting the first arc instruction point P2, drag the handle to the next target position. Click the less than arc greater than button again to insert the P3 pointer. The arc instruction form a complete circular motion instruction set. The 8th button has 4 functions. First, when the servo is ready, click on it to enable it. Second, the insertion process in arc-on and ribbon indicates confirmation. Third, combine with other instructions. For example, less than up greater than plus less than welding plus swing greater than can be inserted into the arc swing stop command. Less than upper file greater than plus less than arc greater than line greater than can modify the point of the current instruction. Fourth, while the program is running, click the less than upper greater than button to pause the motion. Look again at the 2 buttons on the end of the robot body. One is the drag button. The surface of the button is raised. When you click, the ring indicator turns yellow. The robot enters drag mode and can be dragged to any target point. The other is the less than start greater than button. Click the button, the robot automatically switches to the reproduction mode to run the program.